Assalamu alaikum, I'm Sonia Rahman Qureshi and you are watching The First Blast. Thank you so much for tuning in today. We're talking about a very serious disease called osteoporosis. Now, a lot of health workers especially, forget laymen like yourself and myself, do not think of osteoporosis as a disease, but it actually is. And it has pretty high mortality figures as well. It is the disease of bone that leads to an increased risk of fracture. In osteoporosis, the bone mineral density is reduced. What happens is that it is a disease that needs to be taken care of. Let's not say monitored, because if you spend your life without enough calcium, without enough vitamin D, what is going to happen is in your postmenopausal age in women and in men from the age of 50, 60 plus, your bones start getting brittle and they break easily, they fracture easily. That is what one wants to avoid, and the way to avoid it is to have healthy eating habits from childhood. With that, I don't want to take too much of your time. Have a look at the sneak peek and then join us again in the studio. When a patient comes to you, it's already too late.
There's no magic in diagnosing osteoporosis once the bone breaks. The trick is to diagnose it before it breaks.
20-year-old will never think that my bones are getting weak.
Now that we know what osteoporosis is, how common is it in this part of the world?
Calcium intake, appropriate exercise.
Women should not think now it's menopause, my life is finished.
Even death can result from this.